Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Daniel again here with Reinhardt Equipment. Remember, we're located off of 3556 Martha Berry Highway here in Rome, Georgia. Easy to find, and again, we're bringing you an awesome used machine today. This is a 2007 S250. This is a true gem here, guys. Been inspected front and back by our certified Bobcat technicians. This particular machine has already had the tires foam filled, so it's literally ready to go to work for you. We'll go ahead and hop in it and test out the engine and functions and make sure you guys know all about it. Again, guys, this is a cab model. Super nice machine for an 07. Very low hours. We'll go ahead and crank it up for you. This machine has 1,574 hours. We'll go ahead and get the throttle up for you. Test out the loader. Come back down. Very smooth, guys. Smooth. Thanks again for tuning in to the channel. Be sure to check out our homepage, www.reinhardtequipment.com, for new used listings and price updates. Thanks, guys.